Hey y'all, this is Casey. We're going on our dog walk for today. So if you are in a pet sitting business, you gotta take your dogs on a walk. So we're gonna go take Casey for a little walk. Oh, she's gotta go potty. Now walking and walking. She really had to go potty. There we go. And it's always a good idea to carry a plastic bag with you so if they go poo-poo, you can pick it up and be good and get that good walk and not be leaving little presents behind. Here's Casey. She really wants to go on this walk. She's super excited. This way. And she was a good dog, so we're going to give her a treat. She knows how to sit. And she can shake. Shake? Shake, shake, shake. Good girl.